Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be opening my package from Ipsy. If you don't know what Ipsy is, I'll tell you while I open this. It's a subscription service where it's only $10 a month and you get like 5 samples. When I say samples, they're samples, they're tiny. So, what? Hoping that it's like the bag and then this. Well, here's one of the items I get. So I'm gonna show you what I got. And discard that. I did not mean to stab you with that. I'm sorry. This came loose. It is a coffee scrub, or the coffee scrub, as you see. It says Organic Feelings right here, Los Angeles. I don't know if that's the brand. Thinking it is. So that's interesting. I'll let you guys know someday in the vlog how that goes. And this is the bag. Is that so? Translating what she said was that this is like, no, they need a translator. It's the active month of Ipsy or something like that, like working out. I don't know, she confused me. But you know, you get the idea. It's very sporty. It says Ipsy on the tag right here. And it's mesh. It's very interesting, I can say that. Really, really bright. So opening it up, let's see what we have. We have I Will Conquer, and then you fill it in. See, in the card. And game face. And some inspirational stuff right there. I don't know if it was clear enough for you to pause and read. And first item I'm pulling out is the Vasanti Kajal Waterline Eyeliner in Intense Black. I'm just reading that in the order that I can see the best. Hoping you guys can read that enough. I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't come with a list of all the things that you get, like Birchbox does, but you know, you can kind of figure out. Got a Mary Luminizer. I was very. Why are you rolling? Why are you rolling, Sky? The baby went rolling. I'm gonna go back and swatch this eyeliner for you guys. And it's not wooden, which is great, by the way. It's pretty black. And it smudges a little bit, but I feel like if it's gonna dry, it's not gonna move. The liquid lipstick isn't moving. Okay, Mary Luminizer. This is a highlighter by Benefit nope, The Balm Cosmetics. I'm sorry, their packaging is both of their packagings are cute, so I got a little confused. I should have just read it, but I was very, very excited to get this. Swatch it. Yes, my knees are in the picture. So that looks nice. It looks nice on my skin tone. Might wear it now, today. And next we have this Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I've had something by them before. I had like this weird type of peel where you kind of just rub it around your skin and it would like gather dead skin cells, and I think it worked really nicely. Especially at the time I didn't have a really good cleanser that I liked. So that really helped out my skin when my skin wasn't very happy. So I'm interested in this. Their brand's pretty good. And last we have the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, Matte Long Lasting and Moisturizing by Ola Neon. See, this is really cute packaging. I think this is a full size. Sometimes you will get full size products because either they're like just gonna give you a full size product or there is no sample size. Let's open it up, see it, and swatch it. Let me wipe the drool from the baby. Free of parabens, gluten, phthalates, pH, ALATEs, whatever those are. This is really cute. This is really cute packaging. Look at that. It's reflective. And that color is beautiful. What color is that? DF. Let me see if there's another name for it. Why are you making that noise, ma'am? You don't know? That's fine. Never tested on animals. Awesome. Let's swatch this. Velvet liquid lipstick. Did you see that, guys? This is cool. I don't know if it actually focused on it. Can't really see. Doe foot applicator, very nice and small. Oh, that is a pretty color. It's a bit of a weak swatch. Here we go. It's got a very small and slender brush. So you be careful being aggressive with this. I feel like it'll break. So we got. Really excited to use all these products. So that was my Ipsy Glam bag for this month. Subscribe for more different subscriptions because next month might be the last month I actually want to get it because this month was a little bit disappointing, but at the same time I liked it because there's always just a mix of things that you're like, what the heck? I.e. random coffee scrub and black eyeliner that I have 7,000 of. Not that particular one, but just in general. So, subscribe if you want. Leave a like if you liked it. And see you guys whenever I see you.